Hello, my kidlins. This is Ms. Mason. I'm here with a video for you on how to draw the face with correct proportion. Okay, so face, la cara. Supplies you will need, materiales, paper, papel, pencil, lápiz. Okay? Now, I'm going to draw. Here's all the steps. I'm going to draw it right here, so you need to follow the steps. We are not doing this guy anymore. In fact, I'm going to X him out. Okay? That is not acceptable. If you're watching this video, you're old enough to do it right. So, step one, draw a big oval. Okay, believe it or not, our head is oval shaped. It's not a circle. Okay, step two, line in the middle. So I'm just gonna kind of guess, yeah, that's about the middle. Okay, step three, our eyes. So it says 5 footballs up there. What? Let me show you. So our eyes are spaced out enough that the size of our eyes is about the same as the space in between and the space on the side, okay? So we don't just have 2 eyes, we have 5 spaces for eyes. So you're going to draw 5 football shapes because our eyes aren't round. They're shaped kind of like footballs, okay? Or almonds if you want. All right, so I'm going to draw 5 footballs. I'm going to start with the middle one, and I'm going to guess. If you have space for like 10, then your eyes are too small and you need to erase them and do it again. If you only have space for 3, they're too big and you need to erase and do it again. So let's see if I can do this right the first time. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's pretty good. Notice they are touching in the corners. Okay? They're touching in the corners. All right? Now, which ones are our real eyes? Ooh, I heard somebody say 2 and 4. You're exactly right. So, number 2 gets an eyeball, and number 4 gets an eyeball. Okay. Step 4, we're going to add eyelashes and eyebrows while we're here. Everybody has them. They're very important. They help keep dirt and dust out of our eyes. Our eyes would hurt a lot more if we didn't have eyelashes and eyebrows. Okay. All right, eyelashes and eyebrows. Now, step 5. In the bottom half, we're going to put a line approximately in the middle, okay? So again, you're just going to guess. Maybe about there, okay? And now we're going to start the nose. Now, let me show you a trick. I've got my pencil. I'm using the eraser side up. If I put my pencil right next to my nose and I go straight up, I run into the corner of my eye. Happens on both sides, okay? So what that means is we are going to draw dashed lines from the corners of the eyes to this line, okay? So dashed lines straight down. We're not crying. It's okay. Okay, so that is number 6, okay? Number 7 is our nose. So we have a C, because we're making our nostrils, so we have a C shape, a backwards C shape. We have the line at the bottom, and our nostrils, so you can breathe, and the side, okay? Noses are hard, even for professional artists, so just don't stress over it. Just do the best you can. All right, so C shape, backwards C. Actually, it might be backwards. It might be right now. Our line and our nostrils, okay? Now, I'm going to show you something else. The side of our noses go up, and if you feel it, it goes to the eyebrows, okay? So I'm just going to kind of draw some lines towards the eyebrows, okay? Kind of like that. Noses are difficult even for professional artists, so don't stress. It's okay. All right. Okay, number 8, below the nose. We are going to draw 2 lines that divide the space into equal pieces, as equal as you can make it, okay? So 2 lines. Let's see, 1 and 2. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, and number 9. So we're about to draw the mouth. Okay, I got my pencil again. If I put my pencil at the corner of my mouth, I go straight up. I run into my eyeball carefully. Straight up, eyeball. Okay, you have a big mouth. We have to have a big mouth because we eat everything. Okay, if you had a little teeny tiny mouth, like, well, not that guy, but a lot of kids draw a little tiny mouth, you're only going to eat peas and rice. My goodness, I don't know about you, but I like to eat a hamburger every now and then. So, we're going to draw dashed lines from the eyeballs to the second line. Okay, just like it says right here. Dashed line, eyeballs to second line, number 9. Okay, and that's where our mouth is sort of going to go. All right, so number 10, mouth. The top lip is shaped like a smushed M. So if you took an M and you smushed it like you stepped on it, that's not a very good top lip, but that is a smushed M. Okay, that's what our top lip is shaped like. You see the points, the ends. All right, I'm going to erase that because that's not a very good example. And then the bottom lip, it's like a smile. Okay, so above the line, put your smushed M. And then below the line, put your smile. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw that in. There's my mouth. All right, now, third line, what is that for? Oh, if you said chin, you're exactly right. Oh, you read it. You're so smart. Okay, here we go. So the chin, most people's chin is shaped like a frown. Okay, so we're just going to draw a little frown. There we go. There's our chin. All right, number 12, ears. Okay, so I'm going to show you this again with my pencil. I'm going to put my pencil at the top of my ear, and I'm going to go straight across. And look at that, I run into my eye. And if I put my pencil at the bottom of my ear and go straight across, I run into my mouth. Same thing on the other side. Okay, top of my ear, straight to the eye, bottom of my ear, straight to the mouth. Okay, this is my pencil, nobody else's. All right, so we're going to make our ears from the eye line to the mouth line, and you're going to make them skinny. Don't make giant Dumbo ears, okay? Skinny ears. So from the eye line to the mouth line. Eye line to the mouth line. We do not have Shrek ears. Our ears are not up here. Okay, our ears are the lower half of our head. All right. Number 13, neck. So I want you to put your hands on your neck. Walk your fingers up. What do you run into? Ah, my ears! Yes, your neck starts at your ears. We don't have lollipop necks like this guy. If that was the case, our head would be like, we wouldn't be able to pick up our head. Because, did you know that your head weighs about 10 pounds? As much as a bowling ball or a newborn baby. Oh my gosh. So, you have to have a fat neck to hold up your heavy, heavy head that is packed full of brains. Okay? So, from the ears, straight down. Ear, straight down. All right? Okay. Now, my hair. The last thing, the one you've all been waiting for. Okay? If you look at the picture or look at yourself in the mirror, your hair goes all the way to your ears and to the other side. All of that is hair. My hair does not start on the tippy top of my head. Not like this guy. Okay? So, we're going to draw a rainbow arch from ear to ear for our hair. So I'm going to start at the ear, draw a rainbow arch to the other ear, un arco. Okay? And all of this is hair. So, if you have short hair, draw it short. If you have curly hair, draw it curly. If you have hair that's a little bit longer, draw it longer. If you have bangs, which is where you have hair on your forehead that doesn't cover your eyes usually, then you can draw your bangs. Okay, so go ahead and finish your portrait, draw your hair. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish mine. There's my hair. All right. And that's how you make a face look realistic. Okay, hope you enjoyed it, guys.